Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start inside Illustrator with the home screen visible. Open the File menu and choose Open Recent. This displays the list of recent documents Illustrator tracks. Once you see the list, scan for files you want removed. If you plan to clear everything, look for Clear Recent File List at the bottom of that submenu. Do this now. Removing entries here affects the home screen and File menu immediately, so you won't need extra tools for the basic cleanup. Once you've opened the recent list, choose your approach. Use Clear Recent File List to purge all items, or go to the Home workspace and right-click a single recent file to remove just that entry. You do this because clearing selectively keeps the documents you still need while cleaning privacy-sensitive files. Make sure to save any open documents first. Clearing the list does not delete files from disk, but it does remove quick access references. So confirm your choices. To prevent future recent entries, open Preferences and reduce the number of recent files to 0 or disable home screen previews where available. If the list won't clear, reset Illustrator Preferences. Hold Shift plus Control plus Alt Windows or Shift plus Option plus Command Mac at launch, or delete the Preferences file manually. This forces a rebuild and usually clears stuck entries. Once done, restart Illustrator so the home screen refreshes. If problems persist, update Illustrator or reinstall as a last resort to fix corrupted preference behavior.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.